Hello everyone, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. This is Lady B. Thank you guys for coming. Today I'm going to be cooking Banga soup. These are my ingredients. In there I have blended onion, my fish, my meat spices, my bitter leaf, my meat stock, and this is my Banga, and that's my meat. Here is my pot. So I'll be adding the water, the stock water. So why I did it like this before is because I boiled it before and I filtered it because of the bone. There are so many bones inside. You know, goat meat have a lot of bones, so I have to filter it like that so that we can eat it good. So I'll be adding the meat because it's just parboiled. So I'll be adding the goat meat so that it can cook more. And these are the goat meat. So I'll be adding all the goat meat and the chicken too. Then later on I'll be adding the turkey. So these are all the goat meat. I've added it. That's the chicken. So then after that I will be adding my blended spices. That's my blended spices. Then this is my onion, just like the aroma of onion in this my cooking. So that's it guys. And after that I'll be adding this my Banga. So I'll be adding it. So I will not be adding everything, so I'll be leaving this behind. Then after that I'll be adding my bitter leaf. I washed it thoroughly. Before you do that guys, bitter leaf do have sand too, so wash it thoroughly. Then we'll cover it to cook at least another 5-10 minutes. We'll come look on it again. Check on it now. It has been boiling now for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's already doing good guys. So next thing I'll be adding the remaining meat, the turkey, because as I said earlier, I've cooked everything and that is why it's super easy. This soup is super easy to make because everything was prepared already. So I'll be adding this one. I'll turn it together. So I've not added Maggi or salt because I use Maggi and salt to season the meat and all. So what I'll do next, I will add my fish. This is my fish, already washed and clean and all. So I will add it and I'll cover it and allow it to cook again for another 5 minutes. I'll hide the gas now. Okay, let's check on our soup. Okay, this is it guys. So I tested it earlier. The taste was a bit strong because of the bitter leaf, so I added 1 Maggi cube. So that is it guys. I'll be covering it again and allow it to cook 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, let's see. Okay, our soup is ready. As you can see, it's ready guys. This is it, is ready. I'll be turning off the gas cooker. So this is it guys. If you like the way I prepared it, like it, comment on it, share it, and if you are new here, you like what you see, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for coming. See you in my next video. God bless you. So here is my plastic that I'll be using to share it. I'll put it inside the freezer, then we'll be taking it out one after the other. Thank you guys. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye. The soup, this is how I share it and store it inside the freezer. I'll be bringing it out one after the other when we are in need of anything swallow. Thank you guys. Bye bye.